And at the very end of 2016, very late, Mercury will give us another ping. Here you see the start of the earthquake watch is 21st of December, and the conjunction will be, direct alignment will be on the 28th of December, and the end of the earthquake watch period, when it passes out, will be the 4th of January, which of course will be 2017. There's the model. We have Earth, the Sun, and here comes Mercury. So it comes through. And then on the 28th, it lines up roughly for conjunction, and then goes out. And then the period ends on the 4th, when Mercury is clear. Again, Mercury usually delivers a number of between 8 and, well, 18, but it's safe to say you could give Mercury a number of around 12 or 13. If we go to our graph, come across here, and we go down to the conjunction date for Mercury at this time would have been 28th of the 12th. Right, hang on a minute. So we have already some numbers, and this is for Saturn. Just move it across. See there, you have Saturn, also in the December time. That is when Saturn was at the back side of the Sun. So Mercury at the same time, I would imagine that both of them conjoining together might actually, increases the electromagnetics even stronger. So it's saying here that by the end of December it should have dropped back down to a minimum of 6, which is a seismic low, but I would imagine it would at least be 12, or the numbers could well be higher, 13 or 14 even. But so what that's done, you see, now the earthquake period for Mercury on the 28th of December finishes later on in January. Go that far. So for the 13th, we can put that date. We'll drop that down to a 4 or 5, and then there you go. If we move across, we can see the graph. Backside of Saturn on the backside is more the start of this, and then Mercury pinging us again would be adding to it here. That makes sense. So that is the conjunction of the Sun, Mercury and Earth, and that's on the 28th of December 2016. That'll be the last one of the year. Thanks for watching.